All right, disturbing news coming in that there have been two coaches of the Chandigarh Express that have derailed in Gonda. These train coaches, as you can see on your screen, the train was heading from Chandigarh to Gorakhpur and has derailed. The accident aid vehicle has reached as well. It's on the route, and all senior officials have also reached the site. For now, thankfully, it appears that no casualties have been reported in train accident, but clearly a scary situation. You can see the injured or who were passengers in these two coaches that derailed have been brought out. They are sitting on the tracks. This is a case of, we are told about the Motiganj border of the Gorakhpur railway station. This is Gonda in Uttar Pradesh, where this incident has taken place. But what's interesting here is that two coaches have fallen, and they appear to be, from what I can see is visuals on the screen, are they the coaches in the middle of the train? What exactly happened? Abhishek Mishra, my colleague, is joining me on the phone line. Abhishek, what are the details you're picking up? And can we say that for now there have been not much injuries or casualties in this case?
Certainly, this has happened near Gonda, where this Chandigarh Express two coaches have derailed, and it is Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express. And at the same time, the railway police and the RTF has reached the location, and they are providing the aid to the injured. Fortunately, there are no casualties, so that is something is a relief. And at the moment, now it is a part of the investigation. What has happened, how this has happened to on a route which is quite busy at the moment, and this train was heading to Gorakhpur. So that is also the thing where now all the passengers who are injured are now being taken into the care, and the investigation has begun about the real actual cause of this accident. Yes.
All right, so Abhishek, as he continues to bring us the latest in this, you're looking at the visuals of the luggage that has been brought out, passengers who are sitting on the tracks, and definitely you look at the visuals that speak for itself of how possibly this could have gone much worse. And was there another train from a parallel track that was also approaching? We'll try and get more details on that. Abhishek Mishra continues to be on the phone line. Abhishek, has an investigation been ordered? Has officials come on the spot? Because what I see are basically locals and passengers. How about clearing this track, clearing this train, and to ensure that these passengers are not only safely evacuated, but then have some option to reach their destinations?
Well, certainly the first it is always the locals who immediately provide some kind of relief to rescue these passengers. So that has also happened, but the RTF police and the local police have also reached there. The top officials from the railways are also reaching there, including the DRM. So that is the primary report which we have got. There are some injuries where 3 to 4 serious injuries, and some other around 10 to 12 are injured. So that are being taken care of. They are being sent to the district hospital in Gonda. But at the moment, it is quite shocking what has happened. It is a part of investigation. Privately, it looks like there must be some issue with the track because there was no any other obstacle, or was there something else that is a part of the investigation. But yes, currently the passengers are being provided the medical aid, and the top priority is to accommodate all the passengers and get them to the nearest station. And the railway team is also has also reached the spot and has started their
What time did this happen, Abhishek, is what I'm curious, because if there have been thankfully no casualties, then I hope that the passengers have been able to have an option in this case. Any official word that you've picked up from the Railways PRO or the authorities there?
Well, so far there is no official statement yet. We are expecting it to be by the DRM or by the police personnel there as soon as possible. But yes, indeed, this has happened in the afternoon, approximately 1:30 to 2 p.m. So that time is when it has happened. But as what we are getting to know, that first the aid is being provided, and they need to find if and anyhow there is any casualty.
Abhishek, I'm curious here, because as I look more and more closely at these visuals, would it be correct to say that there is a possibility some people could be fear trapped also here? Do you think that's also is being looked at? Are the cops on ground? Are the machines on the ground to help them?
that is something what I said is the priority for the
Yes.
administration. The railway police, they are trying to find if, unfortunately, there is any casualty that should be identified as soon as possible. But fortunate enough, so far there is no report of any
Okay.
casualty. There are injuries and a few of them are badly injured. So that is what the first is priority of the administration. But yes,
Stay
it's
on
a
with me,
big
Abhishek, because Railway PRO Pankaj Kumar Singh is speaking. Let's listen in.
पीआरओ रेलवे गोरखपुर हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए थे। 4 से 5 डिब्बे डीरेल होने की जानकारी वो दे रहे थे। फिलहाल उन्होंने कहा है कि मेडिकल टीम हादसे की जगह पर पहुंच गई है, राहत पहुंचाई जा रही है। गोंडा
All right, so that was, we'll play out that statement in just a short while. Pankaj Kumar Singh is the PRO for the railways here, and we'll try and get you more details because it looks like, Abhishek, if you're still on with me, can you confirm if you have that number, if these are 2 coaches, 3 coaches or more possibly that have been, that have derailed there? Abhishek, can you hear me? All right, I'll go across to Abhishek in just a short while because remember, this is a developing story and we can tell you that for now it appears that most of the passengers were brought out, but it would be early to say if it's all clear, and that's why Abhishek, who continues to be with us. Abhishek, can you confirm to us that if these are just 2 coaches, could there be more coaches that have been derailed? Because as I look more closely, it looks like it could just be more than 2 coaches.
Yes, Pooja. So the PRO has spoken. He has said that 4 to 5 coaches actually are there, and 2 are badly injured. So that is the situation at the moment. And the relief is being provided. That is the top priority for the railway administration as of now. And you see in the visuals how these passengers are scattered here and there. They are quite shocked with this accident, and they really need medical aid as soon as possible. So yes, but the part of investigation is about providing them the medical aid and also to find out the actual cause. As I said, that the officials from the railway are there.
একটু ভেরিফাই করে আপনাকে সব
পুলিশ কি ইনজিওর্ড হয়েছে স্যার?
বোথ সাইডস ইনজুরি হয়েছে, আমরা পরে আপনাকে বলবো। মেডিকেল কলেজে গিয়েছে, তারপরে আমরা বলবো।
স্যার গুলি চালানোর কোনো ঘটনা ঘটেছে?
ওটাই তো বলছি, আমরা ডিটেলস আপনাকে পরে দেওয়া হবে। ঠিক আছে,
কতজন পুলিশ আহত স্যার?
আমরা ওটাই দেখছি।
কতজন পুলিশ আহত?
ये 2:30 बजे के करीब में हादसा हुआ है।
हाँ।
परिस्थिति
So these are the cops on the ground, and we'll try and get you more details on this. Abhishek, this definitely looks like more than 2 coaches, and we can see a lot of people on the ground, and of course we're all praying that nobody has got fatally hurt in this case. Look how the coaches have completely turned upside down in some cases. More reactions from local eyewitnesses and passengers. Let's try to hear and dip in if we're getting what they have to say to help understand what happened, when did it happen, and if there are arrangements on the ground. There are, we can see, senior cops who have arrived, but again, it does look like, and Abhishek, if you're still with me, that local residents, and that's perhaps while many questions will be raised on this incident, the beauty of this country is that local residents, irrespective, nearby villagers, will come rushing to help.
Well, certainly, and this is the first aid, first help that usually
Yes.
passengers get when any kind of adverse situation happens. And as far as this incident is concerned, it has been reported that it has happened approximately 2:20, 2:30 in the afternoon, and in a short while ago. And immediately when this happened, the location is nearby to an area where there are adjoining villages. So the villagers immediately rushed toward the location and started to provide them the immediate relief or to rescue them primarily from the spot. So that is something which is a major concern. And also, if I talk about the area, it's actually located at Motiganj, which is near to a Pekora village on the route. So yes, those were the villagers who initially provided the relief. But now, since the force has, the RAF force, the railway police has reached there, they are providing the rescue, and at the same time, the district police and the administration has got activated. And as I said, the primary, there are injuries, which is where 3 to 4 hours, seriously injured, and some minor injuries to many of these passengers. So that is something which is the first, and utmost priority. Indeed, it's a big part of investigation. It's a very busy route, and a lot of trains usually run on this route. So it is not something which is happened, without any kind of prior information. Yes, whether it is a maintenance issue, there was some fault at the track, also, or any other reason, that is a part of investigation. But yes, firstly,
Stay on with me. Stay on with me because Samarth Srivastava is also joining me. Samarth, what is the latest detail that you have when this incident happened, and also how many coaches are you hearing of? Are there authorities and help on the way?
See, it's a Chandigarh Express, and the incident happened in Gonda district, and the time was around 2:30 p.m. when the train was derailed. And as we are getting that, few people have got injured, but there is no casualty news is coming as of now. But we need to wait for a final number. But as CM Yogi Adityanath has also taken cognizance of this particular event and has alerted all the officials to reach on the spot, and also whosoever is injured in this incident, the CM has ordered to shift them to the nearby hospitals. And if you can clearly see in the pictures and in the visuals, we can clearly see that it seems that 4 to 5 bogies have been damaged, or in a way. But what we are getting is that few people have got injured and few have suffered some serious injuries. But for now, if we talk about the bogies, then 4 to 5 bogies have been derailed. An incident happened around 2:30 p.m. and now we have to wait for the further information coming from the railway department.
Samarth, any word that you have on injuries, casualties? Because the first aid will be very crucial in some of these cases. You're hearing anything on trapped passengers of this train?
No, not yet. The number, beat of the casualty, beat of the injured persons haven't come yet from the railway officials. But yes, we are getting that few people have suffered injuries. Whether it's serious or not, we have to wait for it. But CM Yogi Adityanath has ordered all senior officials, including police and administration, to reach on the spot and in a way start helping the people and also shifting the injured to the nearby hospitals for the further treatment.
All right. So Samarth is tracking the latest on this. Samarth, tell us about where precisely this incident has taken place in Gonda. Is it interiors, in some villages? Is it crossing city areas? Can you tell us more about where precisely did this incident possibly happen?
See, it's a Motiganj railway station where this particular incident happened. It's near the Motiganj railway station, and that comes in Gonda. And train number was 15904, and it was Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express. And as per the CPRO Pankaj Kumar Singh, he clearly said that incident has happened and it happened around 2:30 p.m. But about the number of casualties or if somebody has suffered serious injuries, the number is yet to come from the railway officials. But it's the train number 15904, and it's the name of the train is Chandigarh-Dibrugarh happened, and where it happened, it was near some place near the Motiganj railway station, which comes in the Gonda district, which is 2.5 hours from Lucknow.
Samarth, if you can just stay on with me. Abhishek Mishra is also joining me. Abhishek, do we have some official word yet just about what the PRO has to say? What is the incident on the ground? Because my big concern right now is if it's in too much of a rural area and if there are passengers who are trapped, how much time can it take to really be able to bring them out safe and secure?
And Pooja, as of now, the actual word from the PRO is about the time of incident happened approximately 2:30 to 20, and they have saying that immediate relief has been provided to the injured. So that is something is the utmost priority for the administration at the moment. As I said, fortunately enough, so far no casualties have been reported. But indeed, since the rescue is still happening, they are finding if there is any passenger left somewhere or got stuck within the compartment or somewhere else. So that is something which is a major priority for the rescue operation which is currently happening. But with the visuals, we can certainly see that indeed it has happened and it needs to be investigated. As I said, it's a very busy track. There has to be a proper maintenance because usually these tracks are being maintained on and off. But if this has happened, whether it was something which has happened, automatically, or there is some other mishap, whether it was the fault of the loco pilot or any other reason behind it that needs to be investigated. But yes, as of now, the first priority is to provide the rescue, to provide the medical aid, and all those passengers who are stuck there in thousands in numbers, to locate them, to make them reach to the nearby station so that they could go to their another destination.
All right, Abhishek, stay on with me. Samarth continues to be on the phone line tracking the latest on that. Samarth, any word from the government yet, from the administration, from the police? Because it looks like there are some cops on the ground, but there is very less clarity on what precisely has happened. Abhishek, if I can take that question to you, any word from Yogi Adityanath or the government right now over what has unfolded? Because it will be imperative that the help reaches each of these passengers as soon as possible. It's going to start to get dark very soon, and perhaps it would be difficult then for many of these passengers.
Well, certainly, and CM Yogi Adityanath has taken the cognizance of this matter immediately and asked the relief team to reach the destination, the spot, as soon as possible. All the top officials of the railway, of the Northern Eastern Railway are there. They are already reached. There is also information of providing of a very important, numbers, so helpline numbers, so that that could be given at the time, and whosoever has the query could be resolved. So that has also been issued. But at the moment, I said that this incident, first of all, the rescue is the topmost priority, which is currently happening. The scattered passengers who are sitting on the track. It has also affected the route. So the trains who are coming towards the Gorakhpur or...
Stay on with me, Abhishek, because Railways PRO is speaking right now. Let's dip into that.
भिलाई के बीच में अभी जो प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोगों के पास मिली है उसमें ये पता चला कि 4 से 5 कोच डिरेल किए हुए हैं। जो हमारी मेडिकल वैन होती है रेलवे की, ARME बोलते हैं, वो साइड पे पहुंच गई है। डॉक्टर साइड पे पहुंच गए हैं, सीनियर ऑफिसर साइड पे पहुंच रहे हैं। अच्छा, और हेल्पलाइन नंबर इस्टेब्लिश किया जाता है।
सर, कितने लोग इसमें इंजर्ड हैं? क्या कोई जानकारी?
डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको बताते हैं। हेल्पलाइन नंबर हमने जो जारी कर रहे हैं हम लोग, वो ऑलरेडी इस्टेब्लिश कर दिया है। लखनऊ में हेल्पलाइन नंबर जो इस्टेब्लिश किया है, काइंडली इसको नोट करें, 8957
जी,
हेलो 409292। ये लखनऊ का हेल्पलाइन नंबर है। गोंडा का हेल्पलाइन नंबर जो हम लोगों ने जारी किया है वो है 8957 400 465।
अच्छा सर, ये ट्रेन कहाँ से कहाँ आ रही थी, कहाँ जा रही थी?
ये ट्रेन चंडीगढ़ से डिब्रूगढ़ जा रही थी, और इसमें डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन और जैसे जैसे मिलती है आपको सूचित किया।
तो कितने घायल हैं? क्या घायलों को अस्पताल की तरफ लेके गए? कितने? सर नमस्कार, ये कितने बजे का हादसा है?
ये 14:37 पे 15904 चंडीगढ़ से डिब्रूगढ़ जाती है ट्रेन
जी।
ये रेल हुई है मोतीगंज से भिलाई के बीच में। अभी जो प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोगों के पास मिली है उसमें ये पता चला कि 4 से 5 कोच डिरेल किए हुए हैं। जो हमारी मेडिकल वैन होती है रेलवे की, ARME बोलते हैं, वो साइड पे पहुंच गई है। डॉक्टर साइड पे पहुंच गए हैं, सीनियर ऑफिसर साइड पे पहुंच रहे हैं।
अच्छा,
और हेल्पलाइन नंबर इस्टेब्लिश किया जाता है।
सर, कितने लोग इसमें इंजर्ड हैं? क्या कोई जानकारी?
डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको बताते हैं। हेल्पलाइन नंबर हमने जो जारी कर रहे हैं हम लोग, वो ऑलरेडी इस्टेब्लिश कर दिया है। लखनऊ में हेल्पलाइन नंबर जो इस्टेब्लिश किया है, काइंडली इसको नोट करें, 8957
जी,
हेलो 409292। ये लखनऊ का हेल्पलाइन नंबर है। गोंडा का हेल्पलाइन नंबर जो हम लोगों ने जारी किया है वो है 8957 400 465।
अच्छा सर, ये ट्रेन कहाँ से कहाँ आ रही थी, कहाँ जा रही थी?
ये ट्रेन चंडीगढ़ से डिब्रूगढ़ जा रही थी, और इसमें डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन और जैसे जैसे मिलती है आपको सूचित किया।
तो कितने घायल हैं? क्या घायलों को अस्पताल की तरफ लेके गए? कितने? सर नमस्कार, ये कितने बजे का हादसा है?
ये 14:37 पे 15904 चंडीगढ़ से डिब्रूगढ़ जाती है ट्रेन
जी।
ये रेल हुई है मोतीगंज से भिलाई के बीच में। अभी जो प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोगों के पास मिली है उसमें ये पता चला कि 4 से 5 कोच डिरेल किए हुए हैं। जो हमारी मेडिकल वैन होती है रेलवे की, ARME बोलते हैं, वो साइड पे पहुंच गई है। डॉक्टर साइड पे पहुंच गए हैं, सीनियर ऑफिसर साइड पे पहुंच रहे हैं।
अच्छा,
और हेल्पलाइन नंबर इस्टेब्लिश किया जाता है।
सर, कितने लोग इसमें इंजर्ड हैं? क्या कोई जानकारी?
डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको बताते हैं। हेल्पलाइन नंबर हमने जो जारी कर रहे हैं हम लोग, वो ऑलरेडी इस्टेब्लिश कर दिया है। लखनऊ में हेल्पलाइन नंबर जो इस्टेब्लिश किया है, काइंडली इसको नोट करें, 8957
जी
हेलो 409292। ये लखनऊ का हेल्पलाइन नंबर है। गोंडा का हेल्पलाइन नंबर जो हम लोगों ने जारी किया है वो है 8957 400 465।
अच्छा सर, ये ट्रेन कहाँ से कहाँ आ रही थी, कहाँ जा रही थी?
ये ट्रेन चंडीगढ़ से डिब्रूगढ़ जा रही थी और इसमें डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन और जैसे जैसे मिलती है आपको सूचित किया जाएगा।
तो कितने घायल हैं? क्या घायलों को अस्पताल की तरफ लेके गए? कितने? सर नमस्कार, ये कितने बजे का हादसा है?
ये 14:37 पे 15904 चंडीगढ़ से डिब्रूगढ़ जाती है ट्रेन। ये रेल हुई है मोतीगंज से भिलाई के बीच में।
All right, so there you heard that statement coming in from the Railways PRO Pankaj Kumar Singh. We'll continue to get updates, but this is not looking good because for now, while we can see passengers who've been brought out with their luggage as well, all right, it appears that there could be more updates coming in on that. I'm not going to make any confirmation of casualty right now until it has come from the officials on the ground. But there are passengers who we can see who've been brought out, who have the luggage with them, many of them just taking a breather to sit. But it is feared that possibly some of the passengers could be trapped in this case. You can see that others are trying to find out if these passengers, if there's anyone who's been trapped. We could see some corpse also on the ground. And we are, of course, hoping against hope that there wouldn't be any casualty, any death in this case. Abhishek Mishra continues to be with us. Abhishek, there are some visuals coming in that hint at perhaps it could have turned out much worse than what we have information right now of. But what are the details? Because I want to understand if there are officials on the ground and enough in number for first aid to ensure the trapped are taken out. And we cannot waste any time on this. Abhishek.
Well, certainly, Pooja, and this is what the primary information is. The time is about 2:35 in the afternoon, as said by the PRO. They have given the helpline numbers for Lucknow, Gonda, and other stations of the Tinsukia division as well. But, yes, the topmost priority is the rescue, and that official number is not yet been provided. They are still trying to get all these passengers out from the situation. And at the moment, what can be said is that, providing aid is a major priority. But yes, the forces are there and they're trying to get the people, rescue as soon as possible. But yes, it remains to be seen the actual number which will be provided in a short while.
Stay on with me because there are reactions coming in from on the ground. I could notice there was a white shroud there on the tracks, but I wouldn't be making any confirmation unless it has come from the authorities there. We can see cops on the ground. Let's try and hear from the eyewitnesses, from the passengers. What are they saying?
यहाँ ये 2:30 बजे के करीब में हादसा हुआ है।
हाँ
चंडीगढ़ डिब्रूगढ़ एक्सप्रेस में गोंडा से करीब 20 किलोमीटर आगे है ये
जी।
बता रहे मनकापुर अभी यहाँ से 5 किलोमीटर है।
हाँ
और 2 बोगियाँ तो एकदम से ऐसे पलट गई हैं।
हाँ
1 बोगी ऐसे लगी है, बाकी तो आप देख ही सकते हैं पटरियों की क्या हाल है। पटरियाँ खिसक चुकी हैं यहाँ पे। कैजुअलिटी भी हो सकती है, अभी उसका मालूम नहीं है। लोग अपनी जान बचा करके कैसे कैसे निकल रहे हैं।
So you can see that some of the coaches are completely topsy-turvy. We are trying to get some details. I can see some smoke also, I think, in the background. But the details are not clear yet, the official confirmation. We can definitely see at least 4 to 5 coaches that have completely turned upside down. But it would be pertinent to mention here that we can see authorities, we can see cops on the ground. But we're waiting for an official statement if there are no trapped and no deaths in this case. But clearly more important will be to ensure these passengers safely reach their destinations, which means another side train that's usually then provided, and they'll have to clear the tracks as well. But of course, the big question is what happened? What happened? How did it happen? And a report from the driver, perhaps could, the locomotive pilot, I correct myself, could actually make and add to the details as well. I have an update coming in. The update is, according to the Superintendent of Police in Gonda, 1 passenger has died. 4 passengers have received serious injuries in this incident. Most of the passengers have already left the location. The coaches, of course, are still on the tracks. They are being checked as any precaution for the trapped passengers or any other detail that could surface. Because what would lead the train to derail with 5 to 6 coaches at least? Was this an accident? Was this any sort of tampering that was done on the tracks? All of this will have to be investigated, because usually when a train has to pass through, and specifically on a busy stretch like this, there are checks and balances consistently done. And was it done this time? What happened? And we'll be hopeful that there will not be more casualties. The one death has been confirmed. So that's the latest coming in. It's an official statement from the Superintendent of Police in Gonda. One passenger has died. 4 passengers have received injuries in this incident. Most passengers have already left the location, while the coaches are still being checked just in case, as a precautionary measure, specifically if there are trapped passengers. Terrible incident has taken place. This is in Gonda, Uttar Pradesh. Chandigarh to Dibrugarh Express, and en route in the daytime. Clearly a nightmare for the passengers in the train. So this is a developing story. We have sketchy details coming in, so we'll only go by what either the eyewitnesses have to say, and we'll play that reaction again on one of the eyewitnesses have to say on the ground, but also importantly what the official authorities are saying. About a few hours ago, about a few bogies, and I can at least look at and say 4 to 5 at least, bogies of Chandigarh Dibrugarh Express derailed in Gonda. CPRO speaking.
हुआ है वहाँ पर मेडिकल वैन जो रेलवे की होती है ARME वो साइट पर पहुँच गई है और राहत बचाव का कार्य शुरू कर दिया गया है। एक हेल्पलाइन नंबर भी हम लोगों ने इस्टेब्लिश किया है। लखनऊ में जो हेल्पलाइन नंबर इस्टेब्लिश हुआ है वो आपको बता देते हैं 8957409292। गोंडा में जो हेल्पलाइन नंबर इस्टेब्लिश हुआ है वो है 8957400965। तो इस हेल्पलाइन नंबर को इस्टेब्लिश कर दिया गया है। राहत बचाव का कार्य जारी है। जो हमारे रेलवे के ऑफिसर्स हैं वो साइट पे पहुंच गए हैं। महाप्रबंधक सुश्री सौम्या माथुर जी भी साइट के लिए निकल गई हैं। जो प्रिंसिपल चीफ सेफ्टी ऑफिसर होते हैं वो भी साइट के लिए निकल गए हैं। राहत बचाव का कार्य जारी है।
कितने बजे की घटना है और कितनी गाड़ियाँ थी?
ये 14:37 की घटना है। जो प्राइमरी इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोगों को मिली है उसके हिसाब से 4 से 5 कोच डिरेल हुए हैं जो पटरी से उतरे हैं, और राहत बचाव की जो टीमें हैं वो रेलवे की वो साइट पे पहुंच गए हैं। मेडिकल वैन साइट पे पहुंच गई है। जो हमारे डॉक्टर्स हैं वो साइट पे पहुंच गए हैं। हमारी पहली प्रायोरिटी है कि जल्द से जल्द जो है वहाँ राहत का बचाव का कार्य पूरा किया जाए।
किसी के हताहत होने की
अभी जैसे ही आगे की सूचना मिलेगी तो आप लोगों को सूचित किया जाएगा।
सर कोई ट्रेनें बाधित है अभी इसको लेकर?
हाँ, इसके लिए कुछ ट्रेनों का डाइवर्जन हम लोग कर रहे हैं, उसकी सूचना थोड़ी देर में दी जाएगी।
Okay, live reactions coming in there from the railways who've confirmed that at this point it looks like about 4 to 6 coaches have derailed in this unfortunate train mishap that's been reported. This was a train headed towards Dibrugarh and has derailed near UP's Gonda, and we can confirm for you that one casualty has been reported so far. We are yet to get more details as search and rescue operations are taking place at that very spot. You see the images on your screens of locals who've rushed in also to help these passengers, many of whom are still stuck inside these bogies that did derail. No details just yet of what led to this derailment, but in the last few months we've seen several such incidents of train mishaps that's unfortunately also led to casualties and will raise serious questions about the safety of the railways. In this particular case, we are hearing that about 4 to 6 coaches of the Dibrugarh bound express train has in fact derailed. At this point, the information that we have is there are a few people who have also been injured. We don't know about their condition just yet. Officials have also reached that spot, and the focus right now is on ensuring search and rescue operations are completed, and all the passengers who are on board these derailed coaches are immediately pulled out. Let's play out for you some of the passengers who are speaking out.
ये 2:30 बजे के करीब में हादसा हुआ है।
हाँ
चंडीगढ़ डिब्रूगढ़ एक्सप्रेस में गोंडा से करीब 20 किलोमीटर आगे है ये
जी।
बता रहे मनकापुर अभी यहाँ से 5 किलोमीटर है।
हाँ
और 2 बोगियाँ तो एकदम से ऐसे पलट गई हैं।
हाँ
1 बोगी ऐसे लगी है, बाकी तो आप देख ही सकते हैं पटरियों की क्या हाल है। पटरियाँ खिसक चुकी हैं यहाँ पे। कैजुअलिटी भी हो सकती है, अभी उसको मालूम नहीं है। लोग अपनी जान बचा करके कैसे कैसे निकल रहे हैं।
Passengers there telling us exactly what transpired, how this derailment happened. Let me bring in Abhishek Mishra for more details on what's really playing out there in the search and rescue operations. Abhishek, unfortunate news that's just come in is that one casualty has been confirmed in this derailment. The information we're just picking up, Abhishek, is that 2 people have died. 3 are seriously injured. Many more are feared to be injured as well. Can you confirm that for us?
Yes, certainly. That is something which is a primary information. 2 casualties have been said and 3 to 4 seriously injured. This is the primary information which we have also got to know. The priority is now to provide the rescue and relief as soon as possible. This happened in the afternoon near the area in Gonda, where this 4 to 5 coaches actually got derailed. The train was coming from Dibrugarh, going all the way from Chandigarh and going towards Gorakhpur. And at the same time, it is also a part of an investigation what could be actually the cause, whether there were some issues with the track or there's some other fault, something else is the reason. That is indeed a part of investigation, but the focus right now is on providing the relief. They've also, the railway department has also issued the numbers in order to provide immediate relief to these passengers or to the families of these parents of these passengers who are worried. So they can contact these numbers, which we are also flashing. And also, this happened in the afternoon, and at the same time it is also raising a lot of questions on the maintenance, because these tracks usually get a maintenance check time and again. But again, it's a part of investigation. But right now, 2 casualties, yes, has been said, 3 to 4 seriously injured, and now still the process of getting all these passengers out of the track who could be stuck somewhere is now what has been done at the moment. Yes.
Okay, so unfortunate news coming in. Sources confirming to us in the UP police that 2 people have died in this train mishap. There are 3 who've been very grievously injured, and several others who've now been rushed to hospital as well with injuries. I just want to play out for you now a comment that we got in from the CPRO, the Central Railways, on exactly what's transpired now in Gonda.
सर नमस्कार, ये कितने बजे का हादसा है?
ये 14:37 पे 15904 चंडीगढ़ से डिब्रूगढ़ जाती है ट्रेन जी। ये रेल हुई है मोतीगंज से भिलाई के बीच में। अभी जो प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोगों के पास मिली है उसमें ये पता चला कि 4 से 5 कुछ डिरेल किए हुए हैं। जो हमारी मेडिकल वैन होती है रेलवे की, ARME बोलते हैं, वो साइड पे पहुंच गई है। डॉक्टर साइड पे पहुंच गए हैं, सीनियर ऑफिसर साइड पे पहुंच रहे हैं।
अच्छा,
और हेल्पलाइन नंबर स्टेब्लिश किया जाता है।
सर कितने लोग इसमें इंजर्ड हैं, क्या कोई जानकारी?
डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको बताते हैं। हेल्पलाइन नंबर हमने जो जारी कर रहे हैं हम लोग, वो ऑलरेडी स्टेब्लिश कर दिया है। लखनऊ में हेल्पलाइन नंबर जो स्टेब्लिश किया है, काइंडली इसको नोट करें, 8957
जी,
हेलो 409292। ये लखनऊ का हेल्पलाइन नंबर है। गोंडा का हेल्पलाइन नंबर जो हम लोगों ने जारी किया है वो है 8957 400 465।
So that's the communication that the Northern Railways has given to us, including the helpline numbers, which we're continuing to flash on the bottom of our screens as well, where you can reach out if you any of your loved ones were really on that train. This train, at about 5 to 6 bogies, we understand, have derailed. But you see those images on your screens of how some of them have completely fallen over to the side, which is why there is a fear right now that there could be many passengers who are still stuck inside these bogies. Abhishek, can you confirm that for us? Have officials been successfully able to pull out passengers out of these derailed coaches so far? Has that been completed?
Well, what we are getting to know that most of the passengers have been rescued and they have been sent to the district hospital in Gonda. So most of them have been done, but since 2 of the coaches are badly stuck and badly in a situation where they need to find if unfortunately someone is there below the compartment or below the bogie. So that is something which is currently being done. But yes, the other passengers who were not
All right, apologies. We've lost the connection with Abhishek. He's been getting us all the latest updates on really what has happened so far and the latest on the search and rescue operations. The Chief Minister, Yogi Adityanath, has taken stock of what's happening. He's ordered immediately that necessary officials rush to the spot, adequate deployment of forces be present there to ensure that rescue and search operations are completed at the earliest. Of course, there will be questions on what led to this kind of a derailment, because like I said, the last few months we've been seeing far too many of these kind of train mishaps taking place, but that is something that will be investigated in some time from now. The priority right now will be ensuring that passengers are brought out safely off the derailed coaches. 5 to 6 train bogies that have derailed there in Gonda, and that's why at this point it will take some time for the entire area to be cleared off. Locals to have rushed into that spot. This has happened very close to Gonda in Uttar Pradesh. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has also been briefed right now about this particular derailment. Remember that this is the Dibrugarh-Chandigarh Express, and the derailment has taken place in Uttar Pradesh. So the Chief Minister right now on top of this particular situation, closely monitoring the research operations that are underway. 2 casualties have been reported so far. We're also hearing that several passengers have been injured in this incident, out of which 3 of them are critically injured. We'll get you the exact number of those who've been injured in this particular mishap. Many of them, of course, have been rushed to a hospital. So there is a focus on ensuring ample resources are on the ground as well. We hear that just about an hour ago, that's when this particular train derailed. And you can see that 5 to 6 of these coaches are completely away from the track. Some of them have even flipped over completely to the side. So that tells you really that this train was moving full speed when suddenly this derailment has taken place. So there will be questions about whether something was kept on the tracks. Was it some sort of technical fault that led to this kind of a derailment? But let's hope that there's no rise in the casualty count at this point. 2 deaths already have been confirmed. The identity is yet to be confirmed by officials at this point. We're also putting out all the information and the helpline numbers on the bottom of our screens if any of you need details about this train and people who are on board this train. The focus is also on ensuring that passengers who are now stranded at that particular spot are immediately moved to the closest railway station so that there's minimum inconvenience. Once the entire, the coaches are cleared of all passengers, once the area is cleared off, then these bogies will also be moved out, because at this point all functions, all activity along this entire track, along this entire route has been closed off, has been shut down. Now, we've been speaking also to several of the authorities of the Northern Railway who've been pressed into service here to ensure all adequate resources reach the ground as soon as possible. They are confirming that right now nobody can really ascertain the cause of the derailment, and the priority number 1 is to ensure that they go ahead and find all passengers immediately. Let's get you reactions coming in.
ये 14:37 की घटना है। जो प्राइमरी इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोगों को मिली है उसके हिसाब से 4 से 5 कोच डिरेल हुए हैं जो पटरी से उतरे हैं, और राहत बचाव की जो टीमें हैं वो रेलवे की वो साइड पे पहुंच गए हैं, मेडिकल वैन साइड पे पहुंच गई है, जो हमारे डॉक्टर्स हैं वो साइड पे पहुंच गए हैं। हमारी पहली प्रायोरिटी है कि जल्द से जल्द जो है वहाँ राहत का बचाव का कार्य पूरा किया जाए।
यहाँ ये 2:30 बजे के करीब में हादसा हुआ है। हाँ, चंडीगढ़ डिब्रूगढ़ एक्सप्रेस में गोंडा से करीब 20 किलोमीटर आगे है ये जी। तो बता रहे मनकापुर अभी यहाँ से 5 किलोमीटर है। हाँ। और 2 बोगियाँ तो एकदम से ऐसे पलट गई हैं। हाँ। 1 बोगी ऐसे लगी है, बाकी तो आप देख ही सकते हैं पटरियों की क्या हाल है। पटरियाँ खिसक चुकी हैं यहाँ पे। कैजुअलिटी भी हो सकती है, अभी उसको मालूम नहीं है। लोग अपनी जान बचा करके कैसे निकल